So hi there, and welcome to this Drake R4C. Here's some things you want to look at if you're buying an R4C. First of all, you want to make sure that the PTO VFO has been redone. This one has. It should move silky smooth. You should be able to turn it with very little effort. These dials in here should not wobble. And when you turn it very slightly, you should see slight movement in the dials. You shouldn't see the dials moving in any other direction but back and forth. You shouldn't see them moving even a millimeter in and out. So sometimes these can be abused or not assembled right. Anyway, that's that. Here's your AGC knob here. And when you go to off, you should get a good hiss out of the speaker here. With AGC off, AGC on slow, the meter should move slowly. On fast, it should move quickly if you have a signal which is fading in and out. Here's your passband. The passband should have symmetrical audio from left to right, so the tone you hear now should be the same pitch from LSB to USB. That's one way to see if your R4C has been tuned right. Here's the notch control. It should sound like this. So unlike the R4B that uses LC circuits, this radio uses filters to basically get a signal to be in a constrained bandwidth. And it comes with two standard filters. Well, one for SSB. In AM, you can put a resistor in, which this one has a resistor, and you can listen to AM at probably 6 to 10 kilohertz. This radio has no filters in CW1 or 2, and you can tell that by dead air. Calibration should work. And indeed it does. Standby should mute the radio, and that's about right. These can come with crystals, but this one has none. And that's about it. So here's 20 meter operation in this radio. You want to peak this for noise and find a signal. Go to USB for 20 meters. Of course, if no one's talking, it's not so fun. Let's go to 40. So this frequency here on 40 meters has people that argue a lot. So this is like 7.255. Anyway, that conversation doesn't make for a nice demo, does it? Well, that's actually a pile-up, which is interesting. Well, anyway, that's 40 meters. Here's a look at the radio. I've cleaned this thing up immensely, taken it all apart, taken the front panel off, cleaned all the knobs, cleaned everything behind the front panel, cleaned all the lenses, redid the PTO here completely, so it's gorgeous to work with. Everything here works and is the way it should. Put some intense light on this guy here. There we go. Here's the front cover. I didn't repaint this thing. This is how I got it. I guess I could repaint it, but haven't done that yet. The top isn't the best, but the sides are really beautiful. And of course it comes with screws. I just haven't had the screws in this one. Wasn't sure I was going to sell it, but I thought, well, let's put it up on eBay and see what happens. Here's the other side of it. Let's go to the back. I don't have much cord. There's no filters in this thing, so as you can see, the filters are empty. There's a resistor in there for one of them. But it's a really, really clean radio. It's one of the cleanest I've ever seen. Well, the fuse isn't so clean, is it? But it's very nice. I'm trying to get the number to show. There it is.
not the one I was originally talking about there, so 638. They're good mics, I guess, but you know, don't really need it. So, yeah, I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna go up for band and check into the 15 spec band yet, and then we got to get that stuff over it into this stuff. I'm gonna fly up there, so I'll talk to you later, Bob. W5, how many months? WD, I can take over. WD0, I can take. I can talk to you. W5, W, sugar.
Anyway, I just have a long wire, a 240-foot long wire, so this is not a great demo of what this R4C could do, say on a 5 to 7 element Yagi beam, or even a decent 20-meter dipole, or even a G5 RV. So anyway, put a lot of work in this radio to get it cleaned up and nice. Actually, I could show the insides of it too, since I have the lids off here. Let's see. Take off the lid of it. I can get it off easily. There it comes. Lid's off. Here's the insides of it. This thing is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous radio. All cleaned up and really nice. All right, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.